My heartfelt congratulations to TRAC for taking such an initiative for industry. It is a great, it's a great initiative that everybody will know what is happening in the trade, what is happening to the tourism industry at large. TRAC is doing excellent work, and I must compliment that they should continue the good work for the industry. As far as BSP IATA payments are concerned, these people have introduced a weekly settlement payment effective from 1st January 2014. But the moment I took over, it was there already that this is going to happen in the month of June. But subsequently, with my effort and my team's effort, we could defer it for 15 months with the help of Air India and other airlines. I'm still confident that I want to take up this matter through APJC and as a national carrier to extend another 2 years this payment cycle to be postponed. BSP has been always cooperated to us. I'm sure it will be done very soon because I'm trying to pursue this matter with my team to the logical conclusion.
Regarding this new payment schedule which has come in from this July, we notice in the market, especially our members who are our travel agents, that they are having a little problem trying to meet up to their commitments. But coming 2014, when there would be weekly payments, which would be 1 to 7th on the 15th and 7th to 15th on the 22nd and so forth, and both the payments, which is the domestic and the international combined together, and with the situation in our country, next year is also the election year. So we also expect a lot of disruptions in terms of holidays which would not be scheduled, and this would lead to a lot of stress on the credit cycles of the agents, because the clients will not pay them in time for them to actually meet their commitments, and this would only increase their stress. And over and above this, currently as we see that the scenario in our economy is also under stress, our rupee is having a free fall, and this will catapult into further stress with the corporates. So with this, I would recommend, and I would see that if BSP and IATA see reason to this situation and postpone this weekly settlement which they are trying to bring in from 2014 January. Thank you.